Hey guys, Kimba here. Today we will learn some new words with my friend Rico here. So let me introduce you to Rico. I'm Rico, not Rico. And I'm a male horse. I'm a stallion actually. A stallion. And I have two very, very big brown eyes. One eye, two eyes. Look at my ears. One ear, two ears. And of course I have long, slender legs. One leg, two legs, three legs, four legs. With shiny, bright hooves, which I wear every day. One hoof, two hoof, three hoof, four hoof. And of course I have a horse tail. Look at it. Better than a dog's one. Yep. And don't forget about my big snout. Wee! Wee! I love it to wear a new saddle and brand new harness. And I eat a lot every day. And I prefer green grass and oats. And of course from time to time some sweets like you do. So guys, I hope Rico helped you with some new English words. Let me repeat the words. We have the eyes, the ears, we have the legs, the hooves, the tail, snout, a saddle, harness, and of course oats. And don't forget about the stallion. Enjoy my videos and learn more. Bye!
And here's the last round. Saddle. Eyes. Stallion. Ears. Harness. Legs. Snout. Hooves. Grass. Tail. Oats.
And don't forget to subscribe for more free videos.